Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about cell script decision makings. Okay, decision makings. Okay, decision making. So what is decision making when it will be used this uh, in cell scripts? Okay, so it will be using to check the conditions. Okay, whether the condition is whether the statement is true or false. Okay, so this will be helpful. Check the statement. Okay, what is statement is a group of lines. Okay, group of lines. Okay, so basically shell script will provide you different kind of uh, decision makings. One is if statement. Okay, if statement, if else statements. Okay, and case statements. Okay, so whatever we are going to write the condition, so whether it will be checked if that is true. If the condition is true, then it will be executed the true statement. If it is false, it will be executed the false statement. So like that. See, cell cell contains a statement help you to decision making. Okay, statement is a group of lines. Okay, if statement, if expression followed by one or more statements. Okay, if else, if, if statement followed by an optional statement which executed when the boolean expression is false. Okay, nested if statement, you can use one of if else statement inside another if else statements, like case statements. Okay, if else statement. So most of the if else statement check the relationships using the relational operators. We have seen the relational operator like equal, um, less than, greater than. Okay, so if else statements are useful decision making statements. Okay, which can be used to selection option from given set of options. Okay, still support the following if else statements. Okay, if this is the if, to close the if, opposite of if. Okay, if else if. Okay, if elif, again else. Okay, so if the statement is true, again it will check whether the statement is true. Then the time if is inside the if statement, we will use if else statement. So we will use elif. Okay, most of the if statement check the relational operators. Okay, case statement. So case statement supports the patterns, like cell supports case statement which handles exactly the situation. It does not more efficient rather than repeated if else statements. Okay, there is only one case statement. Okay, in other languages like a switch statement, right? Same like here in the case statement. Okay, especially when all the branches depends on the value, single value. Suppose whatever the variable we are declaring exact matches, it will be displaying. Okay, so the if statement syntax. Okay, this is the if statement syntax. Okay, let me write a sample program. Okay, then we will check that one. So vi if dot sh bin bash. Okay, here I am declaring some value equal to 10, b equal to 20. Okay, if space open bracket, and the condition is instead of a I am giving the where one. It will be easy to understand. Where to, here where one. Okay, then echo statement is true. I'm just giving here only one. Okay, echo where one. Same like copying, just paste here. I didn't write else statement here to show you. Get to equal to var to. Here where one not equal to where two, because all of these statements are true. There is no false statement here. Okay, let me provide the execute permissions. Okay, okay, unexpected if I line number 8. Let me check. Closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, and go to equals to and this statement. End of the script. So not required. Unexpected if I